What's going on, guys? Uncle Phil here, back again for some quick detailing tips. Now today we're here at the Vibrant Performance office to help out some of our friends here at Vibrant Performance how to detail some of the race cars that they have here in the hangar. One of these is a Subaru GC8 and it has white Volks wheels. And one of the troubles that a lot of detailers incur when they get aftermarket wheels, also when they buy white wheels, is keeping the cars clean, keeping the wheels clean, especially with all the accumulated brake dust, rail dust, fallout, dirt, grime, and everything that the road throws at these wheels. So today we're here with Manit. He's showing us his Subaru Impreza. We're taking a quick peek to see how we can help him today.
Hey guys, my name is Manit, and beside me is my 1999 Subaru Impreza. I like to track it on the weekends, and as a result, my white TEs get pretty dirty. And one of my favorite SONAX products actually is the new Beast Wheel Cleaner. This thing does a great job of keeping my TEs clean, makes it really easy to maintain them and keep them looking fresh.